Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Crunchyroll. First of all, you can open the Crunchyroll application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here I can tell you the Crunchyroll doesn't provide any feature to change the language on Crunchyroll app directly. So if you want to change the language, you can just simply go to the device settings, and here you can just simply scroll down and down. Now you can tap on apps, and here you will search Crunchyroll. Now tap on Crunchyroll, and here you will see the option preferred language. Tap on language. You can just simply select the other language that you want to choose, and this is the way you can change language on Crunchyroll. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.